Traditional Turkish cuisine. Traditional Turkish cuisine is a rich and diverse culinary tapestry that has evolved over centuries, shaped by the country's historical influences, geographical location, and the fusion of various regional flavors and techniques. At the heart of Turkish cuisine lies a deep appreciation for fresh, seasonal ingredients and a commitment to crafting dishes that are both flavorful and wholesome. One hallmark of Turkish cuisine is its reliance on an array of fresh herbs and spices, which infuse every dish with a vibrant and aromatic character. Ingredients like parsley, mint, oregano, and sumac are often used liberally to enhance the complexity of flavors, while spices such as cumin, paprika, and red pepper flakes add a warm and inviting depth to many recipes. Meat holds a prominent place in Turkish cuisine, with lamb and beef being particularly cherished. Kebabs, a quintessential Turkish delight, come in various forms, from the fiery Adana kebab to the succulent shish kebab and the ever-popular doner kebab. These meats are expertly seasoned, often marinated with a blend of herbs, spices, and yogurt, then grilled to perfection, creating tender, flavorful bites. Desserts in Turkey are a sweet indulgence, with baklava being the most iconic. Layers of thin pastry sheets, generously filled with finely chopped nuts and sweetened with honey or syrup, create a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. Turkish delight, lokum, künefe, and ravani are other delectable sweets that grace Turkish tables. Here are the top 10 traditional Turkish foods. Kebabs, Kebaplar. Turkish kebabs are a culinary art form, with various regional variations showcasing expertly grilled or skewered meats, such as the fiery Adana kebab, featuring spiced minced meat, or the succulent shish kebab, where marinated chunks of meat are grilled to perfection, and the ever-popular doner kebab, known for its thinly sliced, seasoned meat slowly cooked on a vertical rotisserie, often served in a pita or flatbread with fresh vegetables and sauce, making it a beloved street food. Kebabs, or Kebaplar, as they are known in their native Turkish form, are a quintessential culinary delight that have not only captured the hearts of those in the Middle East and Mediterranean but have also gained international acclaim for their irresistible combination of flavors, textures, and cultural significance. These savory skewers of marinated and grilled meats, often accompanied by an array of delectable accompaniments, serve as a testament to the rich gastronomic traditions of the region. At the heart of any kebab is the carefully selected and expertly prepared meat, which can range from succulent lamb, tender beef, or juicy chicken, and even seafood or vegetables for those seeking alternative options. The meat is typically marinated in a harmonious blend of spices, herbs, and seasonings, which might include garlic, cumin, paprika, oregano, sumac, and more, depending on regional variations and personal preferences. This marination process not only infuses the meat with complex and aromatic flavors but also serves to tenderize it, ensuring that each bite is a juicy and flavorful experience. Baklava. Baklava is a sweet symphony of delicate, flaky layers of thin pastry sheets, generously interspersed with a mixture of finely chopped nuts like pistachios or walnuts, and then lovingly bathed in a fragrant syrup made with honey or sugar, resulting in a decadent dessert that perfectly balances the crispiness of the pastry with the sweet, sticky goodness of the syrup. Baklava is a delectable and indulgent pastry of Middle Eastern origin, celebrated for its intricate layers of flaky, paper-thin phyllo dough that are generously slathered with butter, creating a delightful juxtaposition of crispiness and tenderness in each bite. This heavenly dessert is an exquisite amalgamation of flavors and textures, where the delicate, golden brown pastry sheets envelop a sumptuous filling typically composed of a luscious blend of chopped nuts, such as walnuts, pistachios, or almonds, which impart a rich, nutty complexity to the overall taste profile. To elevate the sweet, nutty essence of this dessert, a fragrant syrup, often infused with aromatic ingredients like cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange blossom or rose water, is generously poured over the freshly baked pastry. This syrup, sweetened to a delectable perfection, seeps into the multitude of layers, saturating them with its sugary essence and infusing the entire baklava with a heavenly sweetness that is tempered by the nutty richness. The final masterpiece is then cut into diamond or square-shaped portions, revealing the intricate layers within, showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship that go into creating this culinary masterpiece. Baklava is not merely a dessert, it is a testament to the culinary traditions of the Middle East, a symphony of flavors and textures that captivates the senses, and a treat that beckons both the adventurous food connoisseur and the dessert aficionado alike to savor its timeless, irresistible allure. Manti. Manti, often referred to as Turkish dumplings, is a captivating and cherished culinary creation that originates from the heart of Turkey but has spread its gastronomic influence far and wide, transcending borders and captivating the taste buds of those fortunate enough to experience its delightful complexity. These diminutive parcels of dough are, in essence, a culinary masterpiece, embodying the meticulous artistry and rich traditions of Turkish cuisine. At the core of Manti lies a delicate, thinly rolled dough, which is meticulously shaped into small, intricate pockets, each resembling a miniature work of art. These dumplings are traditionally filled with a delectable mixture that typically consists of ground meat, most often a combination of lamb and beef, blended with finely chopped onions and an array of aromatic spices such as mint, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. This filling embodies the essence of Turkish cuisine, with its harmonious marriage of savory and herbaceous notes. Manti, a culinary treasure cherished throughout Central Asia and the Middle East, is a captivating dish that epitomizes the artistry and intricate craftsmanship of dumpling making, showcasing delicate pockets of dough filled with a tantalizing mixture of seasoned meat or vegetables, which are typically adorned with a luscious sauce and various garnishes, creating a symphony of flavors and textures that ignite the senses and resonate with cultural heritage. Lahmacun. Lahmacun, often referred to as Turkish pizza, is a thin, round flatbread that serves as a canvas for a spicy and zesty topping made from a mixture of finely minced meat, usually lamb or beef, tomatoes, onions, peppers, and a blend of aromatic spices, creating a harmonious explosion of flavors and textures. Lahmacun, an incredibly flavorful and beloved dish hailing from the Middle East and Mediterranean region, is a culinary gem that marries the essence of thin, unleavened bread with a sumptuous and aromatic blend of spiced minced meat and herbs, creating a delectable masterpiece that dances on the palate and tells a story of centuries-old culinary traditions. At its heart, lahmacun begins with a meticulously prepared dough, crafted from a blend of flour, water, salt, and sometimes a touch of olive oil, resulting in a thin, pliable canvas that serves as the foundation for the dish. This dough is rolled out into paper-thin rounds or oval shapes, a testament to the artistry of bakers and home cooks who have perfected the technique over generations. Lahmacun is often served with an array of garnishes and accompaniments, further enhancing its complexity and appeal. Common additions include a sprinkling of parsley, a drizzle of pomegranate molasses for a sweet tart note, and a scattering of fresh lemon wedges for a zesty punch. Additionally, it is customary to roll up the lahmacun, often akin to a burrito, before taking that first delicious bite, resulting in a perfect blend of flavors in every mouthful. Pide. Pide, resembling a rustic, elongated boat, is a versatile Turkish flatbread that can be stuffed with a variety of ingredients, from melted cheese to ground meat, fresh vegetables, and fragrant herbs, allowing for endless culinary creativity and resulting in a delectable, oven-baked treat. Pide, a delectable and cherished culinary creation hailing from the heart of Turkey, is a type of flatbread that has transcended mere sustenance to become a veritable work of art in the realm of gastronomy. This gastronomic masterpiece, often likened to a boat-shaped pizza or Turkish pizza, is a harmonious amalgamation of impeccably kneaded dough, an assortment of savory toppings, and a meticulous baking process that culminates in a dish that is as visually appealing as it is undeniably delicious. Served fresh and steaming, Pide is typically cut into slices and garnished with fresh herbs, a sprinkling of sumac, or a drizzle of olive oil, further enhancing its flavor profile and visual appeal. The act of sharing Pide, whether as a family meal or a communal gathering with friends, adds an extra layer of enjoyment to this culinary experience, fostering a sense of togetherness and conviviality that is deeply ingrained in Turkish culture. In the world of culinary wonders, Pide stands as a testament to the rich and diverse heritage of Turkish cuisine, a dish that not only tantalizes the taste buds but also offers a window into the culinary traditions and artistic mastery that have evolved over centuries in this culturally rich and gastronomically vibrant region. Meze. Meze, originating from the rich culinary traditions of the Eastern Mediterranean and Middle East, is a delightful and diverse culinary concept that encapsulates a captivating array of small, flavorful dishes thoughtfully arranged to create a communal and indulgent dining experience. These delectable and often vibrant appetizers, collectively referred to as meze, offer a tantalizing exploration of tastes, textures, and aromas, captivating the senses and inviting diners on a culinary journey through the region's diverse landscapes and cultures. Meze selections are a testament to the art of sharing and conviviality, inviting friends and family to come together around a table, savoring these bite-sized treasures while engaging in lively conversation and bonding over the collective pleasure of food. The meze spread is characterized by its sheer variety, featuring an assortment of hot and cold dishes, each crafted with precision and expertise, showcasing the local ingredients and culinary traditions of the region. While meze can be enjoyed as a prelude to a larger meal or as a standalone feast, its true essence lies in the communal nature of the dining experience it fosters. The act of sharing these small plates, often accompanied by freshly baked bread, aromatic rice, or pita, encourages conversation, camaraderie, and a sense of togetherness, making meze not just a culinary delight but a celebration of culture, tradition, and the enduring joy of communal dining. Köfte. Turkish köfte, or meatballs, are masterfully crafted orbs of ground meat, often featuring a blend of beef or lamb mixed with spices, fresh herbs, and breadcrumbs, and can be grilled to smoky perfection, fried to a golden crisp, or simmered in a rich tomato-based sauce, each bite bursting with savory goodness. Köfte, a beloved and ubiquitous dish in Turkish cuisine, is a testament to the artistry of blending and shaping ground meat into flavorful, succulent, and aromatic patties. This culinary gem showcases the versatility and creativity that characterize Turkish cooking, and it has been a staple of the country's culinary repertoire for centuries. The heart of köfte lies in the choice of meat, often a combination of beef and lamb, which is meticulously ground to achieve a specific texture that balances tenderness with a satisfying bite. This finely ground meat is then masterfully combined with an array of ingredients, including finely minced onions, garlic, a medley of fragrant herbs and spices such as cumin, paprika, and red pepper flakes, along with breadcrumbs, creating a harmonious and well-seasoned mixture. What distinguishes köfte is not only the blend of flavors but also the method of shaping the meat into various forms. For example, the iconic Iskender kebab features thinly sliced, seasoned meat that is often served on a bed of pita bread and smothered in a tomato-based sauce and yogurt. One of the most celebrated köfte variations is the Adana kebab, hailing from the city of Adana in southern Turkey. This type of köfte consists of spiced, minced meat, usually lamb or beef, often mixed with red pepper flakes for heat, which is expertly molded onto skewers and then grilled to smoky perfection over an open flame. The result is a fiery and flavorful kebab that exemplifies the bold and robust flavors associated with Turkish cuisine. Dolma. Dolma is an artful dish where grape leaves or various vegetables like bell peppers and eggplants are transformed into flavorful vessels, filled with a fragrant mixture of rice, aromatic herbs, and sometimes finely minced meat, then gently cooked in a tantalizing tomato-based sauce, creating a harmonious fusion of textures and tastes. Dolma, a time-honored and cherished dish in Turkish cuisine, represents a captivating culinary art form where nature's bounty meets the skilled hands of a seasoned cook. This iconic Turkish dish, which means stuffed or filled in Turkish, involves the careful preparation of vegetables or grape leaves, transforming them into delectable, bite-sized parcels of flavor. One of the most renowned variations of dolma involves grape leaves, which are meticulously selected and blanched to create a tender and pliable texture, perfect for wrapping around a tantalizing filling. These grape leaves are then delicately filled with a mixture of aromatic rice, finely minced meat, often lamb or beef, aromatic herbs like mint and dill, and an array of savory spices. The combination of these ingredients creates a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, with the rice absorbing the savory juices from the meat and herbs, resulting in a fragrant and well-seasoned filling. In Turkish culture, dolma is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of togetherness and celebration, often enjoyed during special occasions and family gatherings. The act of sharing dolma with loved ones fosters a sense of connection and tradition, making it a beloved and integral part of Turkish culinary heritage. Dolma is a captivating masterpiece of Turkish cuisine, where the artistry of cooking meets the bounty of nature to create a dish that is not only visually stunning but also a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, capturing the essence of Turkish culinary traditions and the warmth of shared meals with family and friends. Simet. Simet, often referred to as gevrek, due to its delightful crispiness, is a beloved Turkish bread that holds a special place in the hearts and palates of locals and visitors alike. This iconic circular bread, with a texture that beautifully balances between soft and chewy on the inside and a crunchy, sesame seed-studded exterior, is a ubiquitous presence in Turkish cuisine and culture. Simit is baked to golden perfection in traditional stone ovens, infusing the bread with an enticing aroma that wafts through the air. The result is a bread that boasts a satisfying balance of textures and flavors, soft and chewy at the center, with a delightful crunchiness from the sesame seeds on the outside. The contrast between the slightly sweet interior and the nutty, salty sesame seeds makes each bite a harmonious delight. As a versatile snack or breakfast item, Simet is often enjoyed plain or with a variety of accompaniments. Some prefer it with a generous spread of creamy kaymak, clotted cream, or tangy labneh, strained yogurt, while others pair it with salty cheeses, olives, and fresh vegetables for a heartier meal. Simet is commonly found in bakeries, street stalls, and tea houses throughout Turkey, making it an integral part of daily life and a symbol of the country's rich culinary heritage. Kumpir. Kumpir is the epitome of indulgent comfort food, featuring baked potatoes that are lovingly mashed and blended with an array of toppings like melted cheese, butter, olives, corn, pickles, and more, allowing for endless customization and creating a hearty and satisfying meal. Kumpir is not only a culinary delight but also a hearty and satisfying meal that can stand alone or be shared with friends and family. The combination of creamy, buttery potato with the medley of toppings results in a harmonious blend of textures, ranging from the smoothness of the potato to the crunch of vegetables and the gooey richness of melted cheese. This Turkish street food exemplifies the spirit of customization, as each kumpir can be tailored to suit individual preferences, making it a versatile and crowd-pleasing option. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack on a bustling street corner or savored as a comforting meal at home, kumpir embodies the essence of Turkish comfort food, offering a delightful and indulgent experience for those who have the pleasure of partaking in its deliciousness.